Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I'm TeacherPatrick by name. So today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is momentum, and the subtopic is impulse. It's a past question, JAMB 2007, question 19. Sit down, relax, and watch. A jet engine developed a thrust of 240 Newton seconds when the velocity of the exhaust gases relative to the engine is 300 meters per second. What is the mass of the material eject per seconds? What is the mass of the material eject per seconds? That is what you're looking for. Now, this momentum has a formula. So this is simple. It has a formula: mass times velocity. Okay, so we use m to represent mass and we use v to represent velocity. Now this same momentum is also equivalent to impulse. Okay, so meaning from here, momentum is mass times velocity. Impulse is force times time. So at the end, we're having mv is equal to ft. Now, if you go back to the question, let's write down the parameters that was given in the question. A jet engine developed a thrust of 240 Newton per seconds. 240 Newton per, look at it. Newton seconds. Force is what? Newton. Time is what? Seconds. So they're trying to tell that this is the impulse of that what? Engine. So the engine impulse which is Ft, is giving us 240 Newton seconds. 270 Newton seconds. Okay, now the velocity was given as 300 meters per seconds. Velocity, which is V, 300 meters per seconds. And the say we should find the mass of the material ejected per seconds. The mass of the material ejected per second. So this is the mass. Question mark. And let's get the mass. Per seconds. What's our time? Our time, they say per seconds. Per second. So our time is 1 second. So from here, this formula, we can relate it, making m subject formula here. So this divide both sides by v, v will come under. So we have m v is equal to ft. So therefore, m is equal to ft over v. So what's our f? What's our ft first of all? 240. Are you seeing it? 240. Sorry, 270. Sorry for that. And what is our V? Our V is what? 300. Okay, so when you divide 270 divided by 300, we're going to have 0.9. And what is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram. And this is our final answer for this particular type of question. So always take note, momentum is mass, velocity, impulse is force times time. So impulse is equivalent to momentum. Why is it equivalent? Because it's taking the second law of Newton. Taking the second law. So that is it. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share. share, and comment. If you know you're interested in my online class, please give me a DM. See you next time again. Bye bye.